Stir-fried pork with Chinese cabbage. Ingredients: Chinese cabbage, 1 head. Washed and cut into pieces. Soy sauce. Cooking wine. Cornstarch. Cooking oil as needed. Tear the Chinese cabbage into pieces after washing, and cornstarch. Heat some cooking oil in a wok. Then, add another tablespoon of oil to the wok and heat it up. Then, add the Chinese cabbage. Then add soy sauce and salt. Quickly stir-fry it with the cabbage for about 20 seconds. Marinating the pork with soy sauce and cornstarch before stir-frying can make the meat more tender and flavorful. When stir-frying the cabbage, use medium-low heat to slowly cook out the moisture from the cabbage. This will make the cabbage more flavorful and give it a better texture.